In 2019, NCC adopted the MyPath framework, and the P in MyPath stands for Plan Ahead. Planning ahead your education is crucial from the get-go if you want to succeed. And probably one of the best tools to do that is Degreeworks. Using Degreeworks would allow you to take the classes you need in order to complete your program in the shortest time and saving money. In this video, we will discuss what is Degreeworks, how you can access it, how to run a what if in case you want to consider a different major, and how to print a degree evaluation. So what is Degreeworks? Well, you can think of Degreeworks as an academic roadmap that will take you from your first year at NCC to your graduation stage. It's like an academic GPS that tells you exactly what you need to do to get there. Now let's talk about how you can access Degreeworks. To do that, go to NCC website and find the MyComNet link on the upper right. Log in to MyComNet with your NetID and password. Remember that your NetID is your 8-digit student ID number followed by the @ student.comnet.edu. Once in MyComNet, on the lower left corner you will see the Degreeworks channel. If you have attended more than one school, you will see a link for each school. In this case, click on Norwalk Community College. Please be aware that there may be times that when you try to open Degreeworks, it won't work. What happens is that if you notice on the upper right hand corner of your screen, a pop-up blocker is preventing this page from opening. To solve it, just simply click on that and select Always Allow Pop-ups from this page. Click Done, and then go back on your browser to the home page and try opening the Norwalk Community College Degreeworks page again, and it works. Once you are in Degreeworks, what you see, your student ID, your name, your academic information, your major, your academic standing, and the Degreeworks progress bar that shows how far along into your program you are. Now Degreeworks shows you here all the classes required for this particular major. The green checkboxes on the left show all the classes you have completed. The blue squiggly lines show classes you are currently taking in progress, and the red empty boxes show classes you still need to take. Notice at the bottom that you see some classes not apply to the degree. The goal is to minimize the classes you take but cannot be applied to your major. Unless you are thinking of a double major or there is another reason for you to take, you should not be taking classes that cannot be applied. You also show the classes in progress. Now let's talk about how you can print a degree evaluation. And the easiest way to do that is by scrolling all the way up and click on the Save as PDF button here. This will generate an easy to print version of the degree evaluation. Just click on the printer icon. Finally, let's talk about how to run a what if. During your academic planning, there may be times where you would like to consider what would happen if you were to switch your major. To do that, click on What If and select a different major. Like in this case, we're going to select Computer Science. Click on Process What If, and here Degreeworks offers you an idea what would happen if you were to switch your major. The green checkbox are the courses you have completed. Blue squiggly lines are classes in progress, and red empty boxes, classes you still need to take to complete this major. Now again, this is a great tool for you to consider a different program. Finally, how can you print a what-if analysis? Go back and simply select again your major and click on Process as PDF. This will generate a printer-friendly version of your what-if. Simply click on the printer icon. For more information on Degreeworks, please visit our website, norwalk.edu/Degreeworks. Here you will find lots of useful information on this topic, from how to log in to Degreeworks, lots of how-to videos, and step-by-step instructions and questions and answers on this topic, from how to run a what-if and how to print a degree evaluation and more. If may also contact the Academic Counseling Center or your academic advisor for your major. Both of them will be ready to help you on how to use DegreeWorks to better plan your academic career. Thank you.